What's up, guys? This is Chris Powell coming at you out here on the water. Today we're going to talk about skipping some jigs under docks. So come along with us and let's see what we can get ourselves into. Okay guys, now that we've came up to our boat dock, you want to keep about 20 feet between you and the boat dock, and you're just going to swing it kind of like a baseball bat, just a really level swing. Just like that. Some people like to hop it on the way out. I like to swim mine starting out. Let's get up here just a little bit closer. Turn my trolling motor down just a little bit. And just a really level swing. And if you've really never done this before, I'd recommend starting off on a boat dock like this that's got a lot of clearance between the water and the bottom of the boat dock. Sit there and practice. Got a cross member up under there. I feel it. And remember, guys, you're not trying to throw it super hard or anything. You don't need to throw it like Superman up under the boat dock. All right, just make a gradual cast, keep it low, keep it kind of level, just like that. Let me give you all a little tip real quick. Let me try to get up here a little bit closer. I don't know if y'all can see all these spider webs in the camera, but if you see spider webs on a boat dock like this, it's typically a good indication that this boat dock has not been fished very well, because a lot of times when you're fishing, you're going to be knocking all these spider webs down. Okay guys, let's talk about what jigs you can skip boat docks with. Probably the most popular skipping jig will be the Arky style head. I've got the skirt pulled off, that way you can really see the actual head on this. It's got a really flat back on the side. These are super popular for skipping. Now what I use a Strike King Hack Attack heavy cover swim jig. And the reason is it's just my favorite swim jig. It's a confidence thing really for me. It sounds pretty silly, I know, but that's just what I like to skip boat docks with. And skip it. That was awesome.